South Breakwater is the main defense work of the marina, and it has been designed to protect the basin against storms and winds. This challenging construction involves, amongst others, the placement of huge concrete elements, the escort tetrapods, weighing 20 tons each. The tetrapods are placed in a very specific pattern so stability and compliance with the design are achieved. Construction and supervision are quite challenging and require sophisticated equipment as well as trained divers for underwater works and inspections. 750 meters of the 1 kilometer long breakwater have been constructed so far. Despite the rare adverse weather conditions encountered last winter, storms that supposedly happen every 50 years. However, the structure had no damages, making this actual test very successful. The breakwater will be completed with the access road, which is supported on precast concrete elements called inverted tables, another innovative engineering structure.